We're speaking from Storage Visions Conference 2013 in Las Vegas, which is associated with the Consumer Electronics Show. And I have with me today Tony Gauda. Tony's with BitCasa, and BitCasa has been one of our presenters today and on some of our panels talking about the future in personal storage, archiving, that type of thing. And they've got some new products, and I'm going to have Tony explain a little bit the products, kind of the market focus that they're looking at, their technology, and where they expect to go in the future. Tony?
Sure. Thank you. So BitCasa actually solves one problem that consumers have, which is the capacity problem. So if you think about, I have a laptop that has a finite amount of storage. I have a cell phone that has a finite amount of storage. So what I do is that I store all of the data that I have in multiple different places. So I've got an external storage device, I've got a bunch of USB sticks, I've got, all these things, and I never know what's where. So what BitCasa does is that we actually create a unified storage platform across all of your devices that is literally infinite. So there's no capacity constraints.
And your account is ubiquitous across all devices.
Exactly.
You don't know or care where that is, but it all gets stored.
That's exactly right. So you as a consumer, only thing you know is that you can drag and drop something into your BitCasa virtual drive that's either on your desktop, your laptop, or in your mobile phone, and it appears across all of your devices instantly. So we stream everything to and from the cloud like a Netflix or a Spotify does. We also encrypt everything on the client side so that even we as a company can't access any of this information. So it's completely secure. It's actually more secure. It's thousands of times more secure and more safe than your desktop is today.
How are you seeing your marketing? This sounds like a phenomenal product, and it sounds like because we're growing so fast, there's a definite need to do that, to consolidate data in one technology approach. How are you seeing your market growth dramatically, and what segments are you seeing the most demand in?
Sure. So our goal is to kill the hard drive. So it's actually really simple. So the people that are really excited about us are those that have external hard drives, those that have used cloud storage in the past, and synchronization solutions. So if you think about classic sync, it just makes a copy of your data to every device. You actually lose capacity. What's interesting about a BitCasa is that you literally go to your BitCasa drive, you check the free space, and it tells you that there's, I think, 512 terabytes or petabytes of, no, I'm sorry, exabytes of space available on that drive. If it's a PC, and on a Mac, I think it's 8 exabytes or something like that. So it's just the largest number that the operating system will display. We as a company, we've got customers in over 122 different countries all over the world today. We've got north of, I think, 14 petabytes of data under management, and we're growing at a phenomenal pace. We're about 18 months old as a company. We're up to 33 people in Mountain View, California. So yeah, our goal is to make it so that gigabytes don't matter anymore.
And actually, storage doesn't matter, and whether you have photographs or important data or corporate data or forecast data, it all gets stored, and it all gets stored based on your formula, and the device is transparent. It doesn't matter at all. It sounds like a phenomenal approach. And you have centers in Europe and Asia, or that's all funneled back here?
It's actually we actually built the world's first content distribution network for storage. So we actually have data. No, we're everywhere in the world. So we've got a centralized store within the United States, but we have edge nodes throughout the world today. So a typical use case for a BitCasa would be someone that's maybe a photographer or a DJ. They have tons of information, and they just want to access that information across all their devices. We automatically categorize that. So if you have a photo collection of thousands of photos, we automatically create, groups of photos and allow you to access them across all your devices. File formats don't matter. So
bandwidth isn't a problem.
Netflix quality bandwidth. So we even on the back end, we actually even transcode your content to fit the device that you're accessing it from. So if you've got an HD movie and you're streaming it on 3G, we make it fit the device format and the capacity of the bandwidth itself.
Sounds fantastic.
Thanks.
Tony, thank you. Any more comments? I don't have any other questions. It sounds fantastic.
No, just download it today at www.bitcasa.com.
Okay.
Simple.
We'll do it. Thank you very much. Okay.